Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Sakawai pat kajing Rakhe yakasngi bakar pang hakikam junga kai perthai ne ka World Tourism Day. Kadai ka bala pelong da ka skolba Martin Luther Christian University. Henin kasngi ka arpnyo tarik unailor. Yakani ka Rakhe ka bala pelong da ka wei na kisnat jongani ka skolba ka Department of Tourism and Travel Management. Da ka ba pelong ya ka yau ya dia bam henrei tang ya kijing bam tenrai. Ka bala ai kerteng Indigenous Food Festival. Halor ka pangpreng Sustainable Tourism Tool for Development. Hakani kasngi Menteri Sarkar barem ka Sarkar jala bolongru Vice Chancellor barem jongkani ka skulba uba RJ Lingdo ulong kongsan pat kiwei de ki balai don lang ki kintop ya ka registrar jongkani ka skulba I Dr. Marina B Marwen nang tau director ka Human Resource jong ka MLCU ba Albert Nongrom bat kiwei de ki nohikai jongkani ka skulba bat kumjo ki samla pule.
You as tourism students, I feel, hold the key to opening up the economy again, especially the rural economy. And if you decide that you are going to go back to wherever your place of domicile was, whichever village you came from, whichever block that you came from, if you decide to go back and you decide to develop that place for tourism, you know, the effects are going to be huge. Because in tourism, you're not going to develop just tourism itself. Through tourism, yes, you'll be opening up guest houses. Yes, you'll be opening up eating places. But more than that, farmers who are cultivating vegetables can then sell their vegetables to those eating places, those staying places that you open up. Similarly, those who are in the veterinary sector can sell the chicken that they're rearing, the pigs that they're rearing, the cattle that they're rearing, the meat can be sold again to your tourism spots. Those of our youth who are talented and are into handicrafts or into painting or into handloom can then sell whatever produce they make to the tourists who you're going to take to the rural areas. So through tourism, you're going to open up the whole rural economy. And I think that is what we require today.
In your